back. Today evening I was on the Daytona. Yeah, we are back on the bike. I miss this baby a lot. See, I'm in 4th gear. That's what I miss about the. I'm in 4th gear. I'm around 100. Chill, this is 4th gear. You have to cool down. We are around 5,000 RPM. Ah man, the gear is so much smoother now. Wow. Yeah, of course I'm in low RPM, so it will be a bit slower, but as soon as I will go more higher, the RPM will increase and the more smoother gear I will get. There's an Arab Cup is going on here, so you can see the buses are going for Arab Cups, and so by next year we will have the FIFA. So a lot of cops and a lot of crosses and a lot of people on the road today. Personally I'm not interested in football. It's cool game, but I'm more like motorbike boys type of stuff. I really enjoyed the Eyes of Man for TT, basically for motorbikes. I don't enjoy MotoGP that much because since the whole engine, the whole everything is different. So nah, I really enjoyed the TT and World Championship because this is the same motorbike they are going to use it, just except a little bit modified on the motor, but still same motor, technically same motor, same chassis. So basically it will be a same bike, just a little bit more modified, more advanced. That's it. That's the difference. We get it on those bikes. So I really enjoy it. It's a fair, it's very fun to watch it because it's a fair, you know, compared to MotoGP everything is changed. Not even the engine, everything is changed, so you cannot even compare it. Okay, we are going to be stuck here. No, we will pass it. Fuck you. Oh, my helmet is fogging up, and there's one issue now. It's very hard to find a neutral on this bike now. Let's see, I will find some road to take a corner and enjoy it, since I really missed it, this bike. And it's a GP shift, so I forgot how to use GP shift. Did not forgot, but you know, I was here riding my friend's bike, so they all are standard shift compared to this one. See, this is what I'm talking about. The bumpy. miss this bike. The turn was so amazing. The traffic is there, man. The traffic is there. Otherwise, I would kill the fucking turn. And it's been a long time since I riding this much powerful bike, to be honest. The Priya, okay, it is powerful, but not as powerful as this one. This one you have to be careful with the throttle. On the 6th gear, this is 6th gear. This is fucking 6th gear. I'm not even 50%. I'm 50%. Fuck you, man. Kawasaki. This is 50% throttle. Oh, 50. So throttle is very itchy since I tuned the bike, so I'm not a professional tuner, but I know the basics and I know I will say I will medium. I'm not very high, but I know how to tune the bikes. So yeah, that's why in front of the AFR gauge also, so I can see the fuel ratio when I'm riding it. And if something changes, I know it's mess up, you know. See, I just let go a little bit. This is a Kawasaki issue, man. The electronic throttle plates. This was the first time Kawasaki was using the electronic throttle plates. It was a little bit tough for them. But overall, man, still, I love this bike. I will take any other bike over this. I will take this bike. I will take any bike. I will not take any bike over this. It has so much power. It's good in handling. Brakes are okay, but not bad, you know. And the handling is also not bad. It's not good as a Priya, but not bad. I can handle this bike so much better. So this is the turn if I'm not wrong. This is the Barwa City. And it's a comfortable bike, you know. My hands are not stretched over. I'm just relaxing. This bike never disappoint me. Never ran out of fuel also. Even the fuel average is good, but now this bike loves fuel. But at the same time, fuel light came on, so my god. Wait. This is my favorite number. A lot of people destroy it for me. See why he needs to drive on the fast lane? If he wants to go slow, go on second lane, man. And he's going to move also. Fuck him.
Okay guys, I'm going to end my video right here. If you like it, please hit the like button,